Hey there, this is Eileen Fernandez Parker from Cultivating the Learning. And in this quick tutorial, I just want to show you how you can split the text that is in one column into multiple columns. The reason that this is important is because a lot of times you'll get student names, like I have these names here for a training, and it's first name, last name, and I'm used to sorting by last name, right? Alphabetizing by last name. And the only option I have here is to alphabetize by first name. So I do not want to have to retype all of this. That would be craziness. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a feature called split columns. So I'm going to select the column by clicking on the column name at the top, which is A. And then I'm going to go to the data menu and I'm going to go down to split text to columns. When I click on that, down here, I have a separator and I can tell it to detect automatically and see if that works. But I can also select it and say, well, there are spaces here. There's a space in between the first and the second name, so I can choose that. If there were a comma, I could choose that. Those are the two that I use the most often, especially if you have a CSV file, because that stands for comma separated value. So you would choose comma on that one. Sometimes it's a tab that you can choose as well. So I'm just going to choose custom. And you see how everything is done for me. It was like 2 clicks. The only problem I have is this is a person's name that is hyphenated. So I'm just going to cut that and I'm going to double click here and I'm going to add it. And then I can just delete this. So do you see how fast that was? So again, you select the column, then you go to data and you choose split text to columns, and then you select the separator that you want to use.